Good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to say a few words about our beloved school, Shoptoboro Model School. Our school is not just a place for learning; It is a place where our dreams take shape. Every teacher here guides us with care, love, and dedication so that we can become better and wiser human beings. Besides, besides studies, our school and encourages us to participate in culture programs, sports, and creative activities that help us discover our talents. The clean environment, friendly classmates, and responsible teachers make our school feel like a finally I am truly proud to be a student of Shoptoboro Model School.